Are you looking for the best grill slow cookers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best grill slow cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Westbend 87905 Slow Cooker with large capacity and versatile cooking. The Westbend 87905 Slow Cooker is perfect for versatile cooking, with a large 5-quart capacity and a non-stick interior that's safe for use in the oven, on the stove top, in the freezer, or refrigerator. The griddle base allows you to cook more than just slow-cooked meals, and the transparent, heat-resistant glass cover makes it easy to keep an eye on your food. Additionally, it features a warm setting to keep meals at a food-safe temperature for serving, and comes with an insulated travel tote and cover to take your delicious meals on the go. What we like: large 5-quart capacity. Non-stick interior is safe for use in the oven, on the stove top, in the freezer, or refrigerator. Griddle base allows for cooking more than just slow-cooked meals. Number 2. Galanz 8-in-1 Multi-Cooker with Air Fry and Sous Vide. The Galanz 8-in-1 Multi-Cooker is an 8-quart capacity slow cooker that offers a variety of cooking options including air fry, grill, sous vide, steam, and more. It has 8 preset programs and a digital display with touch panel controls for easy and quick cooking. The cooking bowl is removable and dishwasher safe, making cleaning easy. The multi-cooker comes with a variety of accessories, including a grill, air fryer and steam basket, sous vide/egg accessory, and 2 lids for different cooking possibilities. What we like: large 8-quart capacity to serve the entire family. 8 preset programs for ultimate cooking versatility. Includes a variety of accessories for different cooking possibilities. Number 3. Mihoho 2-in-1 Slow Cooker. The Mihoho Slow Cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that allows you to enjoy both slow cooking and grilling. With its 1400 W power, you can easily adjust the temperature to suit your cooking needs, whether you prefer a slow simmer or a quick meal. The 4-quart capacity is perfect for family dinners, accommodating dishes like a 4 pounds chicken or a 2 pounds roast. Plus, the included griddle base lets you whip up delicious pancakes and grilled cheese sandwiches. Its ceramic non-stick interior ensures easy cleanup, making your cooking experience even more enjoyable. What we like: versatile 2-in-1 cooking. Adjustable temperature control. 4-quart family size. Easy cleanup. Number 4. Mihoho 2-in-1 Slow Cooker. The Mihoho Slow Cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that lets you enjoy both slow cooking and grilling. With its griddle base, you can whip up delicious pancakes and grilled cheese, making it ideal for various meals. You can easily adjust the cooking temperature, whether you prefer to cook your meals slowly or quickly. Its generous 4-quart capacity is perfect for feeding the whole family, accommodating a whole chicken or a roast. Lastly, the healthy ceramic non-stick interior ensures easy cleanup, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing pots. What we like: versatile cooking options. Adjustable temperature control. Family-sized capacity. Easy to clean. Number 5. Westbend Versatility Plus Slow Cooker. The Westbend Multi-Cooker is a versatile 6-quart slow cooker with a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. With 20 cooking functions and 9 presets including griddle, grill, and steam, this multi-cooker can meet all your cooking needs. The included accessories like the roasting rack and steam tray add convenience to your cooking experience. The PFOA/PFOS-free Diamond Shield non-stick coating ensures durability and faster cleanup, making cooking a breeze. What we like: versatile 20 functions. 9 presets included. Non-stick coating for easy cleaning.